Jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale owacho ni owinjo kas chuogo chike matayo chiwo fuondi mag del ne weche mag thieth e pachoka. Koloso e kar tiegruok mar puonj mar Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral and Research Hospital, Duale nowacho ni nyaka luw chike matayo chenro ma kamago kokalo e chike matayo laktache kod jomamoko. Omedo ni migao no nono chike mantiere maneno ni wach golo kata chiwo fuondi mag del ok oti godo e yor ohala ka bende mondo mi otaye mana gi kuonde thieth mopuodhi kende.
Director Nursing to come and call out the nurses.
Beyond this clinical feat, I wish to underscore the urgent need to establish a robust regulatory framework for organ donation and transplantation in Kenya. Access to transplant service increases. We must ensure that every procedure adheres to the highest standard of ethics, transparency, and safety of both our patients and our donors. The Ministry is actively reviewing the existing laws and policies to ensure that system is protected from abuse and that organ donation and transplantation are carried out in a just and accountable manner.